Hey everyone, so it was day 2 in my hometown. I know that I'm not posting video series wise because I procrastinate things a lot. So recently I did not shoot any video. Consequently, I thought it's time to post this video. Anyway, let's begin. So let me tell you that where I'm heading. Yes, we are heading to Tugnath Temple, which is the highest Shiva temple in the world and highest of 5 Panchkedar temples, which is located in the Rudraprayag district in Uttarakhand. Meanwhile, I found this mesmerizing location in the middle of the way. I always wanted to be kind of this place. It was very first time I see this location which I always dreamt to be in, and finally I'm here. Yay! I immensely admire the serenity and sublimity of this place, the sound of the water flowing down, chilled water and stone, like everything pertaining to nature. I loved it. Personally, I do not like to fit in mountains. However, love few places to be in for a while. For instance, I've already shown you. I was enjoying like hell here. I love water. Love water. Absolutely. Let's get back to the point. The Tugnath literal meaning is Lord of Peaks, mountain from Mandakini and Alaknanda river valleys. Now I'm gonna state few points which are vital to begin this journey. So the first point is you have to be physically fit, and if you're not, you're gonna feel lack of oxygen there as my sister did. I was blessed that I was able to climb very fast than my family members. Well, I'm not gonna boast more. Second point is you should carry your own water bottle as there is not much shop to buy things. Third, there is no washroom, therefore I suggest you not to drink water that much. If you are such a person who gets hungry in every 30 minutes, carry your refreshments. I've already mentioned no shop available there, like not much. Fifth, carry raincoat as it can rain anytime there. We again took a break here as my mom wanted to have buras flower. You can see around pink color flower. Meanwhile, I saw Hanumanji temple and visited as I had to feel the peculiar vibe. It was indeed a fortunate moment of my life and will always keep in my memories. By the way, I'm not the person who keeps memories in head. I'm oblivious. So my mom had to plug brass flower from here, so we just chilling. This is Chopta and it's fascinating indeed. So I was here in April, weather was normal. I suggest you to go in April or May. So we began our journey again. अब तो हम लगता है टेम्पल पहुंच के ही मानेंगे. Okay. So it was me just enjoying my hands floating in the air. So finally we have reached outside the Tugnath temple and this is the view. We'll have breakfast here and then we start trekking. So let's begin our journey to trek of Tugnath temple. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बुरास के फूल थे, red pink. You will see everywhere and whole way. So guys, let me post you here one thing. If you are asthmatic, don't come here as you're gonna be in high zone. I'm not trying to say the way is too tough, but yes, it is high and I'm not sure if you're gonna be walking whole way. As far as I was tracking, there was nothing but the vibe in air and wherein I'm breathing. It was incredible experience. I would love to come here again. I'm not a person who is fond of tracking, but definitely a person who loves to enjoy nature. Like water is my favorite thing among 5 elements of universe. There was one thing going in my mind that the higher I went, the more I felt lack of oxygen, but nothing happened to me as I was drinking water frequently in less quantity. So here I have covered half of the way of Tugnath trekking and I was just capturing a moment of me so that it would be memorable to me, and I was really happy at this point of time. And this was the view kind of. So after resting for a while I thought I should play smart and took short way to reach, but it was a bit difficult than the normal way. So now I'm here resting again and this was the view again. So the more you get higher, the more you find beautiful views. It is more like I am just 1 kilometer far away to the clouds. Isn't it amazing to feel the clouds just near you? Like it doesn't seem like it's too far. As I was getting close to the temple, so I saw eyes which I never seen in my life, by the way. It was first time. So before Tugnath temple, there is one temple you have to visit there, and that is Ganeshji temple, which is on the way of Tugnath temple. And here you go. I'm gonna show you inside of the temple. There is only one statue of Ganeshji. Have a look. Now I'm about to reach the Tugnath temple, so you can see the ice on the way. सो गाइस फाइनली मैं पहुंच गई थी तुंगनाथ टेम्पल एंड मुझे यहाँ की सच में बहुत अच्छा लगा। एंड आप देख सकते हो व्यू कितना अच्छा है, लोग भी बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे। और यहाँ पे तुंगनाथ के अलावा और भी छोटे छोटे टेम्पल थे जहाँ पे लोग पूजा कर रहे थे, माथा टेक रहे थे। तो यहाँ पे भैरव जी का मंदिर है, यहाँ पे भी आपको माथा टेकना पड़ेगा, जाना पड़ेगा, थोड़ी सी पूजा करनी पड़ेगी। और यह है पार्वती माता जी का मंदिर, यहाँ पे भी आप माथा टेकना, पूजा करना। एंड यहाँ पे पंडित जी शाम की आरती के लिए तैयार हो रहे थे। ये बैक साइड है, यहाँ से आप निकल सकते हो घर के लिए। So guys, there is one more thing to visit. If you want to, you can. Let me tell you, that is Chandrashila, which is 1 or 1.5 kilometer far away from Tugnath temple. So choice is yours. वहाँ पे ये है कि आपको और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा व्यू देखने को मिलेगा, सनराइज़ और सनसेट देखने को मिलेगा। I didn't go to Chandrashila as I was exhausted. सो वी वेंट टू होम डायरेक्टली। और यहाँ पे मेरे मामा जी थोड़े से बुरास के फूल तोड़ रहे थे फॉर होम। सो गाइज आई होप यू लाइक माई वीडियो, सो प्लीज़ शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो। सो मिलते हैं इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। सो टिल दैन बाय बाय, टेक केयर, आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड एंड सेफ। बाय बाय।
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the